Zhejiang Taoxing Intelligent Equipment Technology Company Limited. Hangzhou Taoxing Printing Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer and supplier of printing equipment and packaging equipment. Hangzhou Taoxing was established in 2008, and now we have a team of experienced engineers and sales and after-sales service teams. We have our own factory in Haining, Zhejiang, where manufacture full series of high-quality screen printing machines, pad printers, pre-press equipment, post-press and related auxiliary equipment. All the machines are manufactured with strict quality control system and got CE certificate. The factory has more than 30 patented technologies. Also was identified as a high-tech enterprise by government in 2016. Meantime, we work with high-quality factories in China and integrate high-quality resources to provide customers with one-stop solutions for the home appliance glass industry, packaging industry, advertising industry, digital printing industry, and plastic products industry. Our products not only win a large domestic market, but also exported to United States, Germany, Italy, France, Turkey, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Peru, Brazil, Sweden, India, the Philippines, Thailand, and Indonesia. Adhering to the concept of technological innovation and customer first, as the creator, promoter, and explorer of unknown fields of printing machinery, we will continue to increase product variety, improve product quality, and our service level. We look forward to working with you for a win-win situation.